A wonderful morning to you all traders. Today is another beautiful day to be giving you guys updates on the market outlook on US dollar pairs and gold. So starting off with the oil, US oil. Due to the war, we've seen oil price push significantly high throughout last week and during beginning of last week, and then we saw price continue to drop in the previous week within the week. So this new week we are entering, we're expecting oil price to continue with the highs, but due to the war, they are not planning to stop the war anytime soon. And according to what we are seeing in the market, got price to we are seeing price is kind of slow this Monday. Oil price is kind of slow this Monday. Like I was expecting to see price at least give us some push into the highs, but after we saw this swing high and swing low, like this aggressive high and aggressive low, we saw that price continue to move slowly into the highs. So we're still expecting price to at least take this high, this liquidity here, this little bump in the road here. But let's see how it goes. If the war doesn't stop, by this week, you might see oil price skyrocket to 150. But let's see how it goes for the week. Let's see how this week goes. But as you can see, price is kind of slow. We can see daily open and the weekly open. We saw price push up after the open and then drop back down to the open, and we are still around this same area of market open till this by this time. So though it's still morning, but we are still around that same zone. So the next pair I'll be looking at is gold. As always, gold. Here on gold, I'm still favoring more downside before the long can continue. So we are still looking for some I'm still looking to see price drop a bit before the long will continue. If we can get this last sweep to this low so that we can start seeing more longs, but if not, we already swept this trend based liquidity, which appears to be more clear in the 4 hours time frame. So we already swept this trend based liquidity here. So what do I expect from price now? I expect to see price continue to push up, or either to drop once more, taking out this little bump in the road here, or we might just see price continue to push up. This is still a supply zone which is still in control. So until this supply gets broken, before we know that price is ready to continue pushing, like gold price will continue pushing up. But for now, we'll just trade with the trend. We'll just follow the internal trend, which is the sales, the 4 hour sales. So the next pair is DXY. Obviously, DXY has pushed so high that it has taken a liquidity zone, weekly liquidity. You can see it has taken this high in the weekly time frame. So possibly we might start seeing a push back down, but due to the war that is happening, because as you can see, price started pushing up ever since the war started. So as you can see, what we are still expecting is for more. We are still expecting more. What do we call it? We are still expecting more long. I'm still open for more longs, though. If price should give a downside opportunity, then we will sell. But if not, we are still looking for more longs, as this is the current demand that is in control. So we expect more longs on DXY, or else we should see a change of character from this low. Then we know that price is ready to keep selling. But if not, we are still looking for more longs on DXY. DXY still looks good for more longs. Same with the New Zealand dollar. here on new and sorry, same with Euro USD. Here on Euro USD, I'm still looking for more shots as we've seen price taking out this uh, low here. I'm still looking to see price take out this third low, this third low, because we had 1, 2, 3 touch, and price is taking has taken the second one. So I'm still looking to see price take this third one here in the daily time frame. But if we should go to the 4 hours, some people see this as an opportunity to be long in, but demand is still in control. Like some people will go to the 1 hour and be looking for longs from there because of this little shift here. But this is still liquidity and this is still demand that is in control. So I'm still looking for more shots on this pair until we take this low here, like I said, as the daily low. So the next pair is GU. GU, similar price action. Still, some of us are looking at this as a change of character. But if this high is not taken, then this is not a change of character, because this is the high that caused this low, not this high that caused this low. This high that caused this low. This is just a bump in the road. So I'm still looking. We might even buy up if price continues going high from here. That means we will target for this liquidity zone here. So this was the sell we took. Let me delete this. So I want to see price take this liquidity zone here so that we'll be sure of price movements. So the next pair is, sorry, let me finish with this GU. GU going to the 4 hours. 4 hours is also looking good too. 4 hours is also looking good to see more longs. I'm expecting longs on this pair though, because we already took liquidity and we are already on a demand zone for price to continue pushing up. So probably we might start seeing longs, but the long is only valid when price takes this high here. When price takes this high here. Once price takes this high, then we know that the long is valid, just like this pattern I drew here. But if not, for now we will just keep following the internal structure, which is maybe buy from this zone, get to this liquidity, and maybe look for sell opportunity. If we have any sell opportunity, then we can sell off it. But if not, we might see price get to this high, break out, and give us a change of character. Then we can start longing GU. The next pair is AUD. AUD also looking nice for some longs, but price has been indecisive lately. So AUD is also looking nice for some longs, because we can obviously, as you can see, we can see the structure is we're having buy structure. So I'm still expecting more longs on AUD. I'm still expecting more longs on AUD because sorry guys. So I'm still expecting more longs on AUD because here, as you can see, this is a high that I was taking. This is the low of that high. So this is another low that is forming here. This I was expecting price to push up from here, but no, we didn't get that. So what do we expect now? I expect to see price maybe give us a change of character from this, maybe from this high. Then we'll know that price is really ready to long, like for some long. But if not, we'll just wait for price to do its thing. In the 1 hour, price is obviously okay. In the 1 hour, price has given us a change of character here. We have a change of character here in the 1 hour. So I'm still looking, maybe we might get price to get to 50% of this entire move before one more sell off, or we might just keep going up from here. But I prefer to see price take out this high for us to be sure of the longs. That's that for AUD. The next pair is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar also push back down very aggressively. So I'm still looking to see price. What do I want to see on New Zealand? I want to see liquidity sweep, and here's our liquidity. At least let's take this internal liquidity so that we can target for external, because obviously price could not break this high, which is giving us which is showing us lots of strength in the market. So we might see price take out this high before we push further into the highs, or we might just continue dropping and take out this low till price gets this low on New Zealand USD. So that's that for New Zealand US dollar. Very simple price action. We already see price movements. We cannot be trying to catch the knife by its tip. So what do we want to see here? We want to see price give us maybe a sign of reversal, maybe from this 50% of this zone. When we get to the 50% of this zone, then we can sell. Sorry, not you. Once we get to 50% of this zone from here, we can maybe look. Once we get to the 50% of this zone, this will be our liquidity. Then from there we can sell off more into the downside, or else we have this price, this high taken. If this high gets taken, then we know that we're still going to be long in NZD. So that's that for NU, guys. So the next pair is US dollar card. US dollar, sorry, US dollar CHF. US dollar CHF have been pushing significantly high. So what do we want to see today on US dollar CHF? I want to see price take. I'm still looking to see price take out this high so that we can have our change of card and then sell off to this. Say then price will sell off again. We can see price selling off again. But for now, I'm still looking to see price take out this. Like at least get to this 3 monthly open and take out this high. Yeah, that's the only liquidity we have here apart from this tiny one. This is the major bump in the road we have here in the daily. This is the daily liquidity. So that's what I'm looking out for on this pair. But for now, we follow the trend, the fractal trend. So as you can see, liquidity sweep, price continue pushing up. So wait for another liquidity sweep so that we can start pushing up again. Next pair is US dollar card. US dollar card. We have tapped into. We see price has gotten to yearly and monthly open. Maybe from there we can start selling off. And we already see price rejecting from that zone. Obviously, we can see price rejecting from that zone here in the 1 hour time frame. I should go to the 4 hours. We had this liquidity taken here, but we had this liquidity taken here, so we might still see one more sweep of this high before price continue to drop. But let's see how it goes. Let's see what the market has for us today. So I'm still looking. This low is something open that we can take, that price can come back for. You understand? This low is something open that price can come back for. As you can see, this is 3 touch. Yeah. So we can see price. We might see price come back for this low here. That's that for USD card, guys. USD JPY also, we've taken this high. So what do we expect now? We expect retracement. We've taken this high here. That's daily high. So I expect retracement into the downside so that we can continue with the long, at least to 50% of this zone, at least to this zone here. Then from there we can continue with the longs again. So that's that for today, guys. That's all I have for today. And I would have given you guys some bonus pay like AUDCHF already playing out, so there's no need of showing you guys this one. AUDCHF already playing out. We had our change of character and price continue to push up after this liquidity got swept. So that's that for today, guys. If you like to see videos like this and you like to see more videos on market outlook, so just subscribe, leave a like on the on this video, and turn on your notification sorry, turn on your notification bell. So that's it, guys. Thanks.